Click on the link below to get price. The 5000W dual-motor electric bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, speed, and functionality, making it a standout choice for anyone in the market for a high-performance electric bike. With a top speed of 52 miles per hour, this bike is not just built for commuting, it's designed for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts alike. One of the most impressive features of this electric bike is its dual-motor system, which delivers a staggering 5000 W of power. This ensures strong acceleration and the ability to tackle steep hills without breaking a sweat. The bike's performance is further enhanced by its 60V 32AH battery, providing ample power for long rides. With a range that can easily cover 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, you won't have to constantly worry about recharging, allowing for longer adventures. The build quality is commendable, featuring a robust frame that can support a variety of terrains, from city streets to rugged trails. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy surfaces. Coupled with fat tires, this bike offers excellent traction and stability, making it suitable for all riders, regardless of their experience level. In terms of safety, the bike is equipped with powerful hydraulic disc brakes that provide quick stopping power, which is essential for riding at such high speeds. Additionally, the integrated LED lights enhance visibility for night riding, adding another layer of safety. Aesthetically, the bike has a sleek design, often turning heads wherever you go. The control panel is user-friendly, offering easy access to various modes and speed settings. Overall, the 5000W dual-motor electric bike for adults is an exceptional investment for anyone seeking speed, power, and versatility. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or weekend adventures, this bike delivers an exhilarating ride that is hard to match. It combines efficiency, safety, and performance in a way that truly elevates the electric biking experience.